season. I'm being tired now.
You're tired.
Nearly there. Nearly there.
Just pretending.
Oh,
You just pretending.
Just pretend.
it's by the wood lakes, just by that wooden post, so we're almost there. So close.
Wow, look at that. It's only 10 feet, so I can reach the clouds. What, 10 feet? Wow, look at that. Reformation of the stone is so amazing.
So which days are
Yeah.
you off? Everything? What? Which days are you off? Or you don't know?
I don't know. I'm off on Tuesday this week, buddy.
Eh?
I'm off on Tuesday this week.
Well, you must
That's
just
why
let
I'm
me know if
asleep.
you just want to walk around there close to Meadow, maybe
Oh yeah, we can do that.
a coffee or something.
Yeah, that would be nice.
A coffee. And use that.
It's a great place.
You can take photos of you there and those photos.
Oh, do you mean for my dating? Is this what you're on about?
Finally, we are here in the lake. Don't ask the name though.
I like nice photos.
I've never been to Melbourne anyway.
Yeah, I do.
What's this lake called, Tabitha?
Lynn Idwal.
Lynn Idwal.
IDWAL, Idwal.
Idwal. Okay.
I'll go give you a shower first, Dad.
How amazing. Finally, we are here.
Okay.